This story has caught everyone by surprise today. A ship of the American Navy conducted patrols in Indian waters without the consent of the Indian government. When America announced this, many were taken aback. India and the United States are friends and strategic partners. Together, they have both opposed China's maritime expansionism, especially in the South China Sea. India and the United States have a military relationship. They conduct naval exercises throughout the year. Last year in November, the United States joined Japan, Australia and India for the Malabar exercise, a military drill that India hosts in the Indian Ocean every year. Then what was the need to challenge India on the high seas? Tonight on Gravitas, we will decode America's move for you. It all began with this statement. It was released by the 7th Fleet, the U.S. Navy's largest forward deployed fleet. The statement says, this fleet conducted a freedom of navigation operation. What does that mean? These operations are usually conducted by the U.S. Naval and Air Forces. They are a way to challenge any excessive maritime claims and ensure that the freedom of movement on the high seas remains intact. The 7th Fleet says it conducted an operation around 130 nautical miles west of Lakshadweep, that's inside India's exclusive economic zone. Every country with a coast has rights over the immediate waters from its shores. They extend up to 200 nautical miles. This is called the exclusive economic zone. So within this area, India has exclusive rights to all the resources in the water. This includes any oil and natural gas reserves and even fish. The U.S. Navy has conducted an operation within this zone. The 7th Fleet says it did not take any permission from India before the operation. The U.S. in fact believes it doesn't need permission. It claims India's demand for consent is not consistent with international law. The 7th Fleet said by carrying out this operation, it challenged India's excessive maritime claims. How true is this assertion from the United States? We will get to that in just a bit. What does India have to say about this? Earlier today, India's Ministry of External Affairs issued a statement. It said that New Delhi has conveyed its concerns to Washington through diplomatic channels. The U.S. Navy patrol comes at a sensitive time. The U.S. Special Envoy for Climate, John Kerry, was in India this week. The United States is making a major push to fight climate change, and it is hoping for India's support. Kerry was still in India, in fact, when the 7th Fleet informed the world about this operation. The statement was issued on the 7th of April. In fact, from the 5th to the 7th of April, the navies of the United States and India were involved in a joint exercise. It happened in the Eastern Indian Ocean region. Navies of Japan, France and Australia were involved as well. And just a few weeks back, U.S. Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin had visited New Delhi during his first international tour. While in India, Austin held engagements with the Indian leadership. He said that the Biden administration is committed to strengthening defense ties between India and the United States. But now, it has conducted a patrol in Indian waters without New Delhi's consent, claiming it is challenging India's excessive maritime claims.